Hello student, welcome to bio class. We have already discussed about mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. The main objectives of today's topic are light reaction and dark reaction. Now let's discuss light reaction in detail. Light reaction is the light dependent phase of the photosynthesis. Light dependent phase means it requires light energy, or we can say intensity of light affect the rate of reaction, which occurs in the thylakoid of chloroplast. Thylakoid is the flattened sac-like structure present in the stroma of chloroplast. It is also called Hill's reaction or photochemical phase. Now question is why it is called photochemical phase. Photo mean light, chemical mean chemical. In this phase, light energy is converted into chemical energy. It results in the formation of NADPH and ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. So you can see light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll present in the walls of thylakoid of chloroplast. Thylakoids are flattened sac-like structure present in stroma of chloroplast. Light reaction is also called light dependent reactions because it requires light energy. It is also called photochemical phase because in this phase light energy is converted into chemical energy. It includes various steps. First is activation of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green color pigment present in the leaf. The inactive chlorophyll absorbs light energy in the form of photons. Photons are the smallest unit of light energy, or we can say one packet of light energy absorbed by the chlorophyll and gets activated. In this picture you can see the inactive chlorophyll absorbs light energy and gets activated. Second step is photolysis of water. Photo means light, lysis means splitting. Photolysis of water is the splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and hydroxyl ions in the presence of light and activated chlorophyll. In this picture you can see water molecules break down into H positive, that is hydrogen, and OH negative, that are hydroxyl ions, and this process is called photolysis of water. Third step is production of molecular oxygen. The hydroxyl ions formed during the process of photolysis undergoes the process of oxidation, that is loss of electrons, that forms hydrogen peroxide that further decomposes to form water and molecular oxygen. The hydroxyl ion formed during the process of photolysis undergo the process of oxidation, that is loss of electron, forms hydrogen peroxide that further decomposes to form water and molecular oxygen. Next is production of reducing power. NADP. NADP full form is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Picks up hydrogen ions released during the photolysis of water and results in the formation of NADPH, that is the first end product of light reaction. This picture you can see NADP picks up H positive ions and result in the formation of NADPH. Last step is photophosphorylation. Photo mean light, phosphor mean phosphate, rylation mean addition. Photophosphorylation is the process of production of energy-rich ATP molecules. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. From ADP, ADP is adenosine diphosphate, an inorganic phosphate with the help of energy from electrons released in photolysis of water. Last is photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation is the process of production of energy-rich ATP molecules from ADP and inorganic phosphate with the help of energy from electron released in photolysis of water. Now come to the page number 5.3. Let's start the reading of this topic. Mechanism of photosynthesis. Mesophyll cells in the leaves are the main center of photosynthesis. During daytime, the chlorophyll molecules trap solar energy. This trapped energy is utilized for the synthesis of organic compounds using carbon dioxide and water as inorganic ingredients. Oxygen gas is evolved as a byproduct of this process. The overall reaction that takes place in the photosynthesis can be expressed as follows. Six molecules of water liberated in the equation above are those that are reformed during a chain of reactions and not out of the original ones. The process of photosynthesis is not a single step process, rather, it involves many steps. The various steps which are involved in photosynthesis are divided into distinct but related phases. These are light or Hill reaction or photochemical phase or light dependent phase. Second is dark or Blackman's reaction or biosynthetic phase or light independent phase. Light or Hill reaction or photochemical phase or light dependent phase. This process occurs in the thylakoids of chloroplast in the presence of sunlight, hence its name light reaction or photochemical phase or light dependent phase. We have already discussed why it is called photochemical phase, because in this phase light energy is converted into chemical energy, and why it is called light dependent phase, because it requires light energy, or we can say intensity of light affects the rate of reaction. It is mainly concerned with the formation of NADPH, a reducing power, and ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. These compounds constitute the assimilating power. Another end product formed as byproduct is oxygen. It involves the following steps. First is activation of chlorophyll. The chlorophyll on exposure to light absorbs radiant energy as photons. Photons are the smallest unit of light energy and becomes activated. Second is photolysis of water. Splitting of water molecules into H positive, that is hydrogen ions, and OH negative, that is hydroxyl ions, with the help of light energy is called photolysis of water. The radiant energy from sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll and is transformed into chemical energy. This chemical energy is capable of splitting water molecules into H positive and OH negative ions. Next is production of molecular oxygen. The hydroxyl ions produced as a result of photolysis of water are oxidized to water and oxygen. Photophosphorylation. Photo mean light, phosphor mean phosphate, rylation mean addition. Production of energy rich ATP molecules. ATP is adenosine triphosphate from ADP molecules with the help of energy from electrons released in photolysis of water. ADP is adenosine diphosphate. By adding one phosphate group, inorganic phosphate is called photophosphorylation. The electrons available in the above reactions are picked up by certain electron carriers. When the electrons pass through these carriers, they dissipate energy. This energy is utilized in the formation of energy-rich compounds ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. Production of reducing agent. Photolysis of water produces H positive ions, that is hydrogen ion. It is immediately picked up by NADP, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, activated by electrons. It results in the formation of reducing power NADPH. And I hope you have understood this topic. Now you must be able to solve the following question. Define photolysis of water, define photophosphorylation, what is the full form of NADP, and what is the full form of ATP. So students, we have completed the discussion of this topic. Now we will continue in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.